Hello, and this is the third episode of the How to Placement series. In this video, we are going to talk about your entire interview experience, how it should be ideally. So, we are going to talk about the questions that you should be asking at the end of the interview, how you should approach the entire interview. We are also going to talk about your general attitude and a few tips here and there. So, let's get started. Now, say you've crossed the aptitude test, and this is your first interview. Now in my case, the first interview was more of a technical slash like personality round. So also one thing that you have to understand is that this interview is not going to be a viva. Don't make it a viva. उन्होंने कुछ पूछा, तुमने बताया, फिर से उन्होंने पूछा, वैसा अगर करोगे, so then that's going to be very awkward. There has to be a communication between you two guys and not just interrogation. Once that is out of the way, if they are asking you a question and if you are not sure about the answer, nahi aata hai answer, say that you don't know the answer, or if you know a little bit of that and if you want the person in front of you to kind of guide you through, because that is what I did. I didn't know the answer for sure. My sister told me this: you can approach it in a way, I'm not really sure but this is what I know, and then go and give an answer. उसके साथ continue करो. This is one way you can approach. Another way is, I am not sure sir, whatever I recollect, can I say that? If the person agrees, if they are fine, then go ahead. If not, तो फिर वो क्वेश्चन खत्म हो गया. ऐसा नहीं है इंटरव्यू में दैट अगर आपने 4 आंसर नहीं दिए तो आप आगे के लेवल में नहीं जाओगे. डज नॉट वर्क लाइक दैट. ओके, आई हैड माई फ्रेंड हु आंसर ऑल द क्वेश्चंस बट फिर भी उसका नहीं हुआ अनफॉर्चुनेटली. एंड आई हैड अनदर फ्रेंड जिसने 3 आंसर्स नहीं दिए बट फिर भी वो अभी मेरे साथ ज्वाइन कर रही है. सो that really does not, like, the number of answers answered is not directly proportional to you getting selected. That is how an interview is going to be. You have to make sure that, okay, there's this I had this one boy in our college who used to think that uska smile is going to charm the recruiter. नहीं हुआ वो, ठीक है. The recruiter called him out. भाई तुम्हारे friends बोल देते हैं कि तुम पागल बना रहे हो तो इंटरव्यू तो बोल ही देगा ना. Do not try to make like the entire answer a little too big. If you don't know, you don't know. I'm not aware, I'll look at it. These are the two phrases that you can use, but just don't go around being like no, this is this nahi nahi, ठीक है. After my interview I was really like, खोया, ठीक है. और उसके बाद जब भी पहला ही वाइवा हुआ उसके बाद का, एट दैट टाइम आई वाज रियली नर्वस एंड दोज थिंग्स, दे द person is going to be able to see that on your face that you are nervous. So just stay calm. Okay, एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले या इंटरव्यू के एक दिन पहले डू नॉट ट्राई टू लर्न समथिंग न्यू. अगर एसक्यूएल देख लिया था, ओएस देख लिया था, डीबीएमएस नहीं देखा है चलेगा. ओके, डू नॉट डू दैट. So as I mentioned, for the entire interview process, be as calm as possible, honest with your answers, honest with your opinions. Do not try to start a fight with your interviewer. जो भी तुम्हारा interviewer बोल रहा है उसको सुन लो, उसको समझ लो. अगर difference of opinion होगा, of course, then just very smoothly raise your concern. Do not try to fight. वो मम्मी पापा नहीं है, ठीक है. Next thing is, do not try to come off as too cocky. Do not interrupt when the person is speaking. And they're going to interrupt when you speak, so don't get all mad. Don't do all that. Don't do. Okay, don't do. And yes, supposed to go smoothly. वो जाएगा. Interviewers would try to do that after initial conversation. They would be like, oh yeah, no, nice, we can talk. And then they'll talk. Okay, एक दो technical questions they are going to ask. Okay, so these are a few technical questions that were asked to me. As you can see, Python and SQL. I had mentioned that I know Python well, that I know SQL well. And also, the first thing that you do as soon as you enter for your interview is place your resume. Give your resume to the interviewer. उसको देखने दो resume. Do not, भाई वो अगर questions पूछना start किया ना, definitely not from your tech stack. Please start with giving your resume to your interviewer. Okay, another thing that a lot of people on Instagram are talking about right now very aggressively are the, after your interview ends, when the interviewer asks, do you have any questions for me? I wanted to address this as well briefly. You should have some questions to ask to the interviewer, just so that the interviewer knows that you are interested in the company or the entire process or whatever it is. Just that you are interested, just that you are listening. Okay, just that you are present in the interview. Here are a list of few questions that I personally had prepared for my interview, and these are a few that I ended up asking. But yes, that is that. Do not forget to check out the description box. I'll have my resume, as I promised, the sample resumes ATS wale, and my GitHub and my all the socials along with my portfolio will be in the description box. Check it out. Also, if you've not subscribed yet, go ahead and make sure to